Alright, so I'm back with another at-home vegan mukbang. Today I'm eating jasmine rice with Thai dumplings. And I switched up the spot because in my last vegan mukbang, I was standing up and my feet hurt. So let me know if you prefer this setup better, but I'm like sitting down, so it's more comfortable for me. Anyways. I didn't paint my nails. The disgrace. Anyways, this is actually really good. This is delicious. I need water. If you're wondering what that is a stuffed animal that I threw up there and forgot to get. And I'm just noticing it right now. Anyways, today is Monday, and I'm hoping that this entire week I can go at least 7 days eating healthy and being vegan. Because in the last vegan mukbang, shortly after that, I went and had McDonald's. So. But today's a new week, new start. Oh! New week, new start, new second chance, so. I got these marks on me, but I don't know from where. I don't remember getting hurt. I don't remember how I got these. So, I mentioned in one of my other mukbangs that I'm getting a treadmill, and it's already here. And I used it today and I'm feeling good. There's just something about like working out that makes you feel good, but I'm on my way to getting abs. I hope. Who said healthy food can't make you feel good? Can't make you feel just as good as fries? I don't think anyone said that, but in case they did, they were wrong. Is dumplings and jasmine rice even good for you? I don't know. It tastes good though. I don't know if anyone watches Love Island, but drinking from this makes me feel like I'm on Love Island. I wonder if you can buy the Love Island UK water bottle with my personalized name on it. That would be awesome. Excuse me. I'm full. I'm so full, but I keep eating, as always. Okay, now I'm done. This is as much as I ate. I ate a lot. Okay, one more bite. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helped me out. And I hope everyone is safe, happy, and I will see you in my next video.